Hello friends, this is Harold Rushton. I'm an attorney and law partner here with the Rushton Law Firm in Nashville, Tennessee. And I have a quick topic to discuss with you today, and that is how is child support determined in a divorce action or in an action of child custody in Tennessee? Well, that's a fairly simple process, and I have an answer for you on that topic. Generally, child support is determined based upon what the state calls an income shares model, and you can learn more about that through the child support guidelines at the Department of Human Services website at tennessee.gov. You can look them up online and potentially find out a lot of information there. But just quickly, I'll give you a rundown of how child support is calculated in Tennessee in a divorce action, or otherwise, if you have a child custody action that there's not a divorce pending in, you can still calculate child support in the same or similar manner. Typically, the way child support is determined is we have a worksheet that is provided for us by the state that allows us to basically input what your gross income is and what your spouse's gross income is. We also have other lines there that will ask for how many days per year will you have with the child versus how many days per year that your spouse will have with the child. And there's also some offsets in there that we also put in, like work-related child care, and also who's paying the medical insurance, how much that medical insurance for the child or children is. We have to input that amount as well. So those are the basic factors or the basic figures that we plug into that child support worksheet, and it's basically like an Excel spreadsheet, so to speak, that we fill out. And once we get to the bottom of that and we have all that data input into the child support worksheet, it gives us a presumptive amount of child support, and it tells us which party is going to have to pay that child support to the other party. In most instances, it would depend on what the income amount is for each party, and it'll also depend on how many days per year that each of you have the child or children with you in your custody. That's a big deciding factor. So, if you're a parent that doesn't want to have a lot of input in your child's life, which happens sometimes, not very often, but sometimes, and you get the minimum, let's say 80 days per year, and your spouse gets the remaining time with the child or children, and they're the primary parent, then you can expect to more than likely have a higher obligation of child support. Now, that also depends upon your income versus their income. Now, if they have a much higher income than you, then that amount could be greatly reduced, or it could even go the other way. So it just depends on a lot of factors, and we have to input that data into the worksheet in order to get the amount of presumptive child support assigned to a party. Now, there are other offsets in that child support worksheet, such as whether one of you have child support obligation for an outside child of another marriage or another relationship, or let's say you are supporting another child that you're paying child support for. That's an offset as well that will go into that child support worksheet that could also change that amount and change that obligation somewhat. So the best way to make this determination or to find out about what child support is going to be paid by whom in a divorce or otherwise in a child custody matter is to seek the legal advice of an attorney with a lot of experience in this area. A licensed attorney that has experience in child custody matters or family law and divorce matters can help you and guide you through this process in a smooth and efficient way. So, be sure and look for a good attorney to help you with this matter if you're going into a divorce or if you have a child custody matter where you're trying to find out who's going to owe child support and what that amount might be. If you need further information about this or any other divorce topic, you can give us a call at the Rushton Law Firm. You can find our information in the description below, or you can look us up on Google. And our website is therushtonlawfirm.com. We're located here in Nashville, Tennessee. You're welcome to give us a call. We'll give you a free 30-minute consult regarding your divorce action if you're looking at filing for divorce. So just give us a call or send us an email. We'll be glad to help you. So thanks for taking time to listen today to this video, and I hope this has been helpful to you. All the best to you, and I hope you have a great week. Thanks.